UNAD activity. Did you spend a lot of money on your last trip? Was I fair month? On my last trip, I spent all the money I had for that trip. I was a fair amount because I was able to do a lot of the activities and eat a lot of delicious food. What was the most amazing activity you did on your trip? What did you do? On my trip to Santander in San Gil, I did the most extreme activity of my entire life. Boogie jumping. It was an incredible experience, and first I was a little scared, but then I finally jumped. I really enjoyed it. Have you met a new friend during a trip? How did it happen? When I was in Bogota, I met a very nice person who helped me get oriented in the city. After my trip, we continued talking for the while, and the last time I visited Bogota, we had a coffee and talked for a while. Do you prefer normal tourism or ecotourism? Compare to advantage or disadvantage about them according to the opinions. I prefer normal tourism because I have more comfort, hot weather, and offer better facilities. Ecotourism is good but often lacks the amenities. Which is better, visit popular tourist destination or lesser now tourist destination? Why? High of the lesser two reasons. Popular tourist destinations are not always the best. I prefer to visit some well known and some not the well known so I can get the full experiences.